Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Monday, July 24th, 2023, received the National Association of Edo State Students for Government House, Benin City. The President of National Association of Edo State Students, Comrade Stapis Atemokai, Contact said the reason they carry waka come see Deputy Governor na to always salute give am for the better things wey they do for Edo State students and say belle sweet dem wella for the scholarship wey he grant some students for Edo State.
One, I appreciate you on all you have been doing as the Deputy Governor of Edo State, for all Edo State students, for all Edo State youth. By the grace of God, since inception, you are the most vibrant Deputy Governor we have seen as a body. And we are actually impressed of the scholarship given by the Deputy Governor of Edo State to the ESACO Student Association. 8 years from now, the National Association of Edo State Students have not had their Cultural Day. Cultural Day is actually a ceremony that brings all Edo State students all over the 36 states together. It gives us the opportunity to showcase our culture, which is the Edo culture. And for the past 8 years, Your Excellency, the National Association of Edo State Students have not had their Cultural Day. That is why we are here today, Your Excellency, to plead with you to help us actualize this dream so that we will be able to have our Cultural Day holding in Benin. Not also hold it, but by the grace of God, we want you to be the chairman of that occasion. We are pleading and we are begging you, Your Excellency, sir.
Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu talks anytime he see Niger student, belle dey sweet am sake of say he before na president of National Association of Nigerian Students and say he go tell the state government to collaborate with them for their Cultural Day.
A long-standing relationship with NANS right from my being in charge of the entire Nigerian student in the entire country when I was national president of NANS to come to Uniben. But Uniben is our headquarters. Each time we are called for meeting Uniben, there's this excitement and joy that always come to our hearts that we are coming home. And so, but you that did not have the privilege of going to school outside the door, you don't understand that feeling, and because you are always like you are home. But we coming from other school from outside Edo, coming to Uniben for such engagement. There is this, a night before you travel, there's always this butterfly thing, you start having plenty of butterflies flying inside your, that is kind of feelings that we have. So when you talk about Cultural Day, I understand really what you mean by that, especially for NANS members that are not within Edo State. They look forward to it. I've had the privilege of participating in it before. So you are telling me something that I know, and I'm not only telling me what I know, the feelings that goes with it, I also know. So I can imagine how those that will be coming from other states will feel. So born here in Edo, that are born outside Edo, we tend to speak the language of the area that we are from more than our own language. So actually there's need for us now to start dealing and helping and promoting our culture and our language. It is very, very critical because we sometimes forget, we just speak the language of where we are or speak English, even to our children. And after a while, you start teaching your children how to even greet. Not even how to even speak the language, you're not teaching them how to greet. Everybody now English, whereas your identity is your tribe, your identity is key to your survival too. So when issues of culture come like this, very, very, especially from your own angle, from the student perspective, is key and important, so that I don't tell you more, you say, what are you talking about? Or I say Nanga, I say Nanga, what is the meaning of that? So, yeah, it's what is for yeah? So it's important. It's important that we deal with the issue of our culture and promote our cultural values, so that they don't go into extinction. It's very, very key. So So be peaceful and law-abiding is critical because the future of our state and our country, they say, is in our hands. If we join those that want to destroy it now, we don't have a future. So that is why we must take ownership of our state, take ownership of our country, and be the vanguard of peace, vanguard of those that want to make it work. And when we do that, obviously we are preparing a tomorrow that is our own, that will now be in charge and make things work differently in the light of what we want Nigeria to be.
The association come presents one ogbonge gift to Comrade Philip Shaibu to appreciate him for his better support. From Benin City, Balomi Mukoro, TMC TV News.